Hey everybody, this weekend's adventure, strawberry picking at the farmer's market. What did I do with my top? Oh, there it is. Here we go. It kept looking like it was gonna rain us out, but I think it's just cloudy. It's not supposed to rain until this evening. You ready, Manny? Cece, this is Daddy, Manly, Jonah, Mommy, ketchup, mayonnaise.
Cherry picker.
Which one are we doing? This one? You see any good ones?
Yeah.
This is a pretty good one. You want to get it? Is it a good one?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's got punched in the face.
Found one.
Yeah, it looks like somebody ate one right here. Look at some. Oh, somebody done ate this one off the plant. I feel like that was probably an animal. Hopefully. Sometimes you gotta get up under these leaves to find the good ones. I think I see one. Yep.
What about this one?
Oh, you got a good one. Hey, can you take these to Daddy?
Yeah.
You got them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They said they found the better ones up here.
I found the one that's better. This
Found
one
one?
don't got any bad spots.
There you are. When you found the goodest one, you got one. They're better up here. The reason being is because everybody's starting down there, but when they get up to about right here, so
Their box is full.
right.
Yeah.
They get up here, they start looking pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that one's like
I'm not trying to
perfect.
compete with anybody, but I just found the goodest one.
Oh yeah, Jonah found a really big one. I think I won for finding the funniest shaped one.
I found the one that like a fish.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. ice cream time. This is peach and strawberry swirl. Jonah got the same thing. Cece got just strawberry. We're gonna see what Manly and Daddy want. They're still over here relaxing in the rocking chairs. All right, we've got some tomato plants here. Let's see. Celebrity, what are these down here, Cece? Better Boy, Celebrity Plus. I think we'll go with this Celebrity Plus. Big, flavorful tomatoes on vigorous, healthy plants. You found a Celebrity, Jonah? Yeah.
These are my celebrities.
Muscadines and Scumpernong plants here. Blackberry plants. More tomatoes here. That's the kind we had last year. Beefsteak. Of course, Titus told us to grab him some honey. He's gotten this kind before, I think. We got some plants. We have 3 pepper ones. I'm pretty sure these are peppers. They're not labeled. They look like some kind of pepper plants. This one is a Hungarian wax pepper, and then we have 3 Celebrity tomato plants. We're checking out the 50-pound bag of peanuts, but we think we're gonna skip it. They have these little Stay Fresh fruit holders, but you can find these at the Dollar Tree for, you know, $1.25, about, you know, not exactly the same, but kind of the same. I don't think we saw these sauces last time. Sweet Georgia Red, Fire in the Hole, Low Country Gold, and Sweet Heat. Jonah found corn dude. This dude strips corn clean off the cob. This will come in handy with all the strawberries we got. They have cherry pitters too. And some of those pineapple slicers, y'all. This is just like the Aldi pineapple slicer, and I think they have it this week for like $4 or $5. Okay, we need to get some peppers. I am not getting those hot banana ones. Last time we got those, y'all, those things are no joke. They have blueberry donuts and strawberry. Oh, they have some different popcorn seasoning. Maple bacon barbecue, ranch, fine white popcorn salt, sour cream and onion, white cheddar, buffalo, cinnamon bun. Y'all, there are some baby birds in there, and this mama keeps flying up there and giving them something. It is adorable. I saw a baby poking its little beak out a minute ago. Where'd the mama go? Oh, did you see it? Oh my goodness, that's adorable. All right, y'all, we are back home. I'm gonna go ahead and get supper in the oven, and then I'll show y'all what we got from the farmer's market. Tonight we're gonna have the spinach manicotti, and I am gonna add pepperoni to it. Thought about cooking up some ground beef, but we got back a little later than I thought, so we're gonna go with pepperoni. We're gonna mix everything in this bowl that we're gonna stuff the manicotti with. We need this whole 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put in 1 beaten egg, so I just cracked it in here. I'm gonna take a fork, just a little bit. There's the egg. Now we're gonna put in about 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella, and I have that much left in this little bag of Tillamook here, so we're gonna put that in. And now about 1/3 of a cup of grated Parmesan. Now the seasonings, we need 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and 10 ounces of chopped spinach. Did you have fun picking strawberries, Manny?
Yeah, and I got liquid.
And you got licorice, yeah. Titus and Tyler are out there getting the spot ready for the garden, y'all. He talked me in to planting it in the ground. I'm still gonna put some stuff in grow bags, I think, but we're gonna try to plant in the ground this time. He is very confident in that if we plant it where there's more sunlight. If y'all remember 2 years ago, I think, we tried planting in the backyard. We've actually tried to plant back there several times, but a couple of years ago we did it. I mean, we did it right. We planted good out there and everything, but we had so much rain, and the spot that we planted, it just flooded. I mean, it completely flooded. It washed out most of the seeds before they even had a chance to start. It was just, that was one of those very rainy years, even more rainy than usual. This time, he's picked out a different spot. We're going with it, but like I said, I'm still gonna put a few things in grow bags for backup. Okay, we're gonna mix all this together, and you can chop your spinach like really, really little if you want to. I just didn't. The end. Okay, so this is where the original recipe ends, but it said if you wanted to add meat, you could add ground beef or Italian sausage. Like I said, we're gonna add pepperoni, and I am gonna chop these just a little bit. So this is gonna be like a pizza stuffed manicotti. You could add some like black olives and peppers and onions too. Okay, we are almost done. Now, to stuff this manicotti, you need a freezer bag or something. What kind of licorice did you get?
This kind?
Blue raspberry?
Yeah.
I've never even heard of blue raspberry licorice, y'all. All right, we're gonna take this piping bag and put some of our mixture right down in here. And this is what we're gonna use to squeeze it into the manicotti. First though, I need to take my 9x13 casserole dish. We're gonna spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. And we're gonna take about a cup of our pasta sauce and pour it in the bottom. We'll just spread that out. Now we'll be ready, as soon as we stuff the manicotti, we'll be ready to just place it over here in the casserole dish. Okay, so now we pour the rest of the sauce on the top. So in total, we use 2 jars of pasta sauce. The manicotti is gonna cook in the oven, so you need, it looks like a lot of sauce, but you need that for the manicotti to soak it up, you know? Now we're gonna sprinkle some Parmesan and mozzarella over the top, and it's going in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. We're gonna cover it with some foil. And after 40 minutes, I'll probably take the foil off after about 30 minutes, and we'll let it cook uncovered then the rest of the way. So here's what we got from the farmer's market. The plants, the strawberries that we picked. We got a sugar baby watermelon, some tomatoes, some hot peppers or hot finger peppers. We got one of the strawberry hullers, some of these cinnamon pecans. Y'all know we make these a lot around the holidays and stuff. And they called out to me when I walked by, and they're just as good as homemade. These are really good. We got Titus's honey, and I got some grits, and that's all we got from the farmer's market. Titus actually got that little basil plant right there from Ingles the other day. He forgot I had the one over here in the windowsill and got another one. Oh, you got squash?
Bell pepper, cucumbers.
Let's see what we got, Manny. Yellow bell pepper,
Hey.
zucchini, habanero. Ooh, more zucchini. We'll put the zucchini over here. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
No, this one is heirloom squash. Watermelon, Manny. Daddy got watermelon one. And these. Let Daddy go to the store. He'll come back with some trees and everything. Okay, y'all, kitchen is clean. Coffee is brewing. Coconut pie is being sliced. Cherry one's almost gone. That spinach manicotti was amazing. It was like pizza and spinach lasagna thing. It was wonderful. The family had their doubts about it. They all didn't look happy when I told them what we were having for supper, but when they ate it, happiness filled the room. It was really good, y'all.